Hey folks, so as part of Free with Tech Philosophy, I've been working on this app called Axis, which is gonna be supported by Apple Watch in the beginning. And let me show you what I've been working on since last week when I made my last video, which you can see here on my YouTube channel at St. Pitco. So be free to check that out if you're into more detail behind the third rewrite of the code base, basically. But yeah, I'm beginning simply with an Apple Watch app. It contains the bare essential functionality that's required for the habit tracker to work. So this is the view for each and every day, right? You have a number of streaks have achieved so far. So this is a fresh install of the app. So we have 0 here. But as you go through the day, you just track, if you woke up before the threshold time. So you can mark this habit as completed or failed just by cycling through the states by tapping on the habit circle. And also movement, right? You can associate different tags with the movement. So depending on what type of movement you did on this day, you can select the state. And this updates also eat the frog, the hardest thing in the morning, right? So another thing is play as work. So you associate different types of project with working as an employee, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, depends, right? So you can also select tags here. But also like socializing, like who are you socializing with? And then finally, evening reflection, which integrates with Apple Health. And this is important because from within this watch app, you're able to track a mindful session, which is saved inside Apple Health, including the mood selection here. So by cycling the crown, you can select your mood and associate different labels with it. So you may be disappointed on that day, you may be excited, whatnot. You just select the labels that are associated with the mood, including the associations, right? So after labels, you can also choose some associations like friends, fitness, current events. It depends, right? So you just pick from the list, and then this mood is selected for this given reflection habit in that day. Let's say you finished the reflection. For some reason the number is not refreshing, but yeah, very, very pleasant mood. You see the status and it's refreshing after you reopen, so that's good, at least something, right? You can cancel, it discards the session, but we want to finish, right? So we complete it, we see how long it took us to do the reflection, and what mood for the day we selected. So like this is the bare essentials for the app. And it also includes like active days configuration for each and every habit. This means that you may have your own rhythm in life. You may be required to work on Saturdays and not Mondays. So, it depends on what configuration you prefer. And this is why I've enabled users to select the active days for those habits. So this means whenever habit is not active for a given day, it doesn't influence the streak, right? So if we don't complete a habit, for example, the rise habit, we may disable that for Thursday, and you will see that we have a streak, right? We have a streak because it's optional. So that's the way you track your habits and really have a balanced life, thanks to the focus on all main important areas, and mainly focusing on doing the hardest things first in the morning. So yeah, I think this is the app. This video concludes the watch version. I'll do the history view next week, so stay tuned for that. Have a great day.